Learn every day for a better life. Hi everyone, welcome to our video on how to prepare for an audition. Auditions can be nerve-wracking, but with the right preparation, you can feel confident and give it your best shot. In this video, we'll go over a step-by-step guide to help you prepare for your next audition. Step 1. Know your material. The first step to preparing for an audition is to know your material inside out. This means understanding the character you're auditioning for, and the scene or monologue you're performing. Read the script carefully, and try to get into the mindset of the character you're portraying. Take notes on their motivations, feelings, and actions, and use this information to inform your performance. Step 2. Practice, practice, practice. Once you have a good understanding of your material, it's time to practice. Memorize your lines and rehearse your performance in front of a mirror or with a friend. This will help you feel more comfortable with the material and give you a chance to work out any kinks in your performance. Try different approaches and experiment with different emotions and inflections to find the best way to portray the character. Step 3. Warm up your body and voice. Before your audition, it's important to warm up your body and voice. This will help you feel more relaxed and confident, and prevent any physical or vocal strain during your performance. Do some light stretching, breathing exercises, and vocal warm-ups to get your body and voice ready to perform. Step 4. Arrive early and be prepared. On the day of your audition, make sure you arrive early and come prepared. Bring a copy of your script, a headshot and resume, and any other materials required by the casting director. Take some time to relax and focus before your audition, and be prepared to wait in the waiting room for a while. Step 5. Be confident and stay focused. When it's time for your audition, take a deep breath, walk into the audition room, and be confident in your abilities. Remember that the casting director is looking for someone to fill the role, and they want you to do well. Stay focused on your performance, and don't let any distractions or mistakes throw you off. If you make a mistake, keep going and don't let it affect the rest of your audition. Step 6. Reflect and learn. After your audition, take some time to reflect on your performance. What did you do well? What could you improve on? Use this feedback to learn and grow as an actor, and apply it to your future auditions. Step 7. Follow up. After your audition, it's a good idea to follow up with the casting director or the production team. This shows that you're enthusiastic about the role and that you're interested in working with them. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to prepare for an audition. Remember to know your material, practice, warm up, arrive early and be prepared, be confident, and reflect and learn. With these tips, you'll be ready to give your best performance and land your dream role. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.